Hey guys, just BG here again. I thought cause I just uploaded a video on how to make a link from a web browser, my first video, I should probably tell you how to make a web browser and how simple it actually is. First I'll just show you, what you'll need, and you will need the following: a web browser. Yeah, it's just a net component. It comes standard with Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. So yeah, just drag that on in, and the way that it looks most professional, I think, is with a menu strip, and just drag that on in, and it should just come up here. And don't know if you can see that, but it does say type here. So now I'm just going to type in a menu option like file. That's the basic menu option. Next to it, I'll just have the basic web options like back, forward, home. I'll just add in by right clicking on a text box. Just right click on a box, then insert text box. And don't know if you can see it, I can barely see it. I'll just change the background color of the text box. It's a bit more easy on the eyes. Now that's my text box. Now I just have another thing called go. I think I just might make this text box a bit bigger. Just click on it, scroll down properties all the way to the bottom, then size. 500 should be it. No, do 550. Okay, 600. Okay, way too much. I'll go 580. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. I like to leave the name in my applications as form 1 for my tutorial, so I won't be changing that. But if you want to, just click on the form, scroll up to text, and then just change it to whatever you want. And the icon's the same, just scroll down till you see the little icon, click on browse option, and then it will let you browse. Okay, but now into the file, we'll just add another option: refresh, stop, and exit. Oh, sorry. Exit. And I think I might just add a little separator. Just right click on a word, insert separator. And you can just drag it down to wherever you want it. I'm not very good at dragging. Okay, and there we go. If we just debug it, it's obviously not going to work because we haven't coded it yet. But if we debug it, then you'll see it's just got some options. Back option, forward, home, go, the text box. It looks more like a web browser than just a basic form. Okay, now back to it. What you want to do to go back is extremely simple. Just double click on the back option button, and then type web browser 1, and it should come up as a handy hint. My computer's just frozen, I think. Not responding. Oh no, here we go. Web browser 1. So 1 dot go back, and you can see just here, I don't know if you can, but you can see just here there's some options, and they're obviously what they say: go back, go home, go search, go everything. For the forward one, just double click it, web browser 1 dot go forward. And for the home, it's exactly the same: web browser 1 dot go home. For the go, it gets a bit more tricky. Actually, it gets quite a bit more tricky for a basic user. For me, it's quite simple, but for a basic user, it can get a bit tricky. Now, what you want to do is you want to know the name of your text box. So you just double click on it, and you'll see here it has the name of your text box. And now double click on the go application, go button, because now you know the name of it. You want to copy this because you're going to use it. it should be called toolstrip textbox 1, or if you're just doing it in a basic text box, it should be textbox 1 dot, yeah, textbox 1. Now what you want to do is web browser again dot navigate, open parentheses. Now you want to type in copy or paste, I mean, the name of it, of the text box, or write it out, and you want to say web browser 1 dot navigate, open parentheses, toolstrip textbox 1 dot text. So that'll tell it to go to the text in textbox toolstrip textbox 1. Sorry, that didn't make any sense. So now that's good. File, we'll just go and edit this refresh button, and this one's even easier. It's just web browser 1 dot refresh. Same for stop, web browser 1 dot stop. Sorry, I just got some emails. So web browser 1 dot stop, and finally the exit. The exit's just end. It's just for everything, it's end. And that's it. That's your basic web browser, and it doesn't look too shabby, if you don't mind me saying. Obviously you can see that there's no problems, it's loaded. Now just type in where you want to go, like google.com, go. You should notice that the enter button doesn't work. Like if I were to go to Google, go to google.com and press enter, it doesn't work. You need to code that, and I'm not going to go into the coding for it now. And yeah, you'll just see it's refreshing this page because I'm already there, sort of. I spelled it wrong, but that's how you make a basic web browser. I'll do a bit more detailed one later, and obviously I've just made a video on how to add a link. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and rate my video, and thanks again.